Hello, everyone. I am back. As everyone knows, AI has appeared to help a lot in all fields of work as an assistant or a companion. As for the programmer aspect, the question of whether artificial intelligence, AI, will eliminate the programming profession has become a hot topic. However, when we take a step back and look at real world data and expert opinions, a clearer picture emerges. AI is not a replacement, but a potential partner that will profoundly reshape the software industry. AI is an advanced assistant, not a replacement. Instead of eliminating humans, AI is proving to be a powerful tool for enhancing productivity. Tech leaders agree on this point. Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO, asserts AI won't replace programmers, but it will become an essential tool in their arsenal. Jeff Dean, head of Google AI, points out that AI still lacks the creativity and problem solving skills that are core to a developer's role. Even Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, admits that AI is very good at tasks, but terribly bad at complete jobs without human overs. Challenges in quality and stability. The speed that AI brings is a double edged sword. The increased use of AI has raised concerns about the quality and sustainability of code. A rise in copied code. A study of 211 million lines of code by gitclear revealed that in 2024, duplicated blocks of code appeared 8 times more frequently. Meanwhile, refactoring to optimize existing code dropped sharply by nearly 40%. This indicates a trend of pasting new code from AI rather than improving existing code. The trade off between speed and stability. Google's 2024 DORA report found that while AI modestly improved code quality 3.4%, it also led to a 7.2% heuristic decrease in software delivery stability, causing more incidents. As one developer put it, it's easy to generate code, but not so easy to generate good code. Therefore, many companies are encouraging employees to review AI-generated code carefully, as if it came from a junior colleague, useful but requiring thorough verification to avoid technical debt in the future. The real impact on the job market, contrary to fears of mass layoffs, job market data tells a different story. The unemployment rate for software engineers remained at a record low, around 2 to 3%, throughout 2023 to 2024. Previous major layoffs in the tech industry were primarily due to economic factors, not AI replacing humans. However, the impact of AI is more subtle. Pressure on junior positions. Some companies have slowed or frozen hiring for entry-level roles. This is because a senior engineer with AI support can handle a larger workload that might have previously required multiple junior developers. Risk to the talent pipeline. If the industry stops investing in training new talent in favor of immediate AI solutions, it risks cannibalizing its own future, as one essay on Stack Overflow warned. Conclusion. Adapt to lead AI will not eliminate the programming profession, but it is permanently changing what is considered valuable in an engineer. Core value is shifting from the simple ability to write code to higher level skills that machines cannot replace. Systems thinking and architectural design. Critical thinking and creative problem solving. Collaboration and communication skills. For developers, learning to use AI effectively and focusing on honing unique human strengths is the essential path forward. Those who see AI as a partner rather than a threat will find their skills remain in high demand and are even more valuable in the future. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you find it interesting, please give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.